That one again. There's lots of those. He's watching me. Oh, pretty one. Come up. Hey! That face on the tree.
I am Tracy. Tree.
I think... Does it talk?
I think so.
Yeah, it does. What do you do to make them talk?
I don't know. Oh, it's rubber, yeah.
I think you have to push a button or something. Maybe it just talks on its own. A copying parrot!
Hey, boys.
What the? It lights up?
It's talking.
Are you hungry? We have great food. Join us for a meal.
That's it? That too. I have that. Parrots, Ashley. Hey, Tizzy. Snake toys. Whoa. What's this? Snake toys, remember? Yeah. Whoops. I am Tracy Tree. These are puppets. Hello, Jordan. Hi. That one has a light on it. What the heck? Oh, this is a puppet too. I think this one is. This is a puppet. Ah! I think they're all puppets. I don't know if this is a parrot. Hey, Ashley! Snake toys. This is like that place, Ashley, except they're all animatronic. The tree is talking.
Without them, they won't survive either. One of the best known tribes in Africa is the pygmies. They are small people, rarely tall. They live on different types of animals, but also collect food, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food.
And caterpillars for food. Hey, look at that bird. It takes batteries. It flaps his wings and it's off, I think. Look at that bird.
Hey gang, my name is Tracy Tree. Awesome! Check out that humongous mushroom. Things are always growing in the rainforest.
Whoa! It's whamming. Yeah, I have this guy. Oh, here he is. Oh, I saw that. Broken. Yeah, different ones. Yellow one, Bubbles. Bubbles. I know, I saw that one another. This one looks angry. This is an awesome place. Look at the big eyes. Yeah, they're swimming up there and going over there.
I got a table or anything? Do you have a kids menu? Kids menu, yeah. Okay, that's what you wanted to see.
I'm not eating here, Mommy. Let me see those. Well, actually, how do you make them go? Just circle this. Okay. And here's the red one. Tiger.
Ashley, are you hungry?
I'll have to do that. I hear that tree talking.
Jordan, we're going to eat here if you want to eat.
No.
What do you mean no?
Oh, crap, Super Bowl.
Jordan, we're all gonna sit in here and eat.
Yeah, we can
I'm
eat.
not.
And we can talk the rest of the time.
Alright, we can do it.
I'm not gonna.
Oh, do you want to go in?
I'm not going. You got to go. But Mommy, I like the animated stuff here. I want to
Don't start with that voice.
in this area.
Hi, everybody. Get a table? Yes, 4. Alright, come on in, guys.
I'm not gonna eat though. I'm not hungry.